the largest factory footprint on Earth, where America's electric future is built. One battery cell at a time. Raw materials arriving daily: lithium, nickel, cobalt, manganese, the building blocks of every battery cell. Lithium diamonds, the most critical raw material, handled under strict chemical safety protocols. Cathode material synthesized: nickel, cobalt, and manganese combined in precise ratios at the atomic level. Calcined at over 800 degrees, the cathode material transformed into its final battery-ready form. Graphite, the anode material that stores and releases electrons in every battery charge cycle. Cathode slurry mixed. Active material, carbon, and binder blended into a thick black paste. Anode slurry prepared. Graphite and binder mixed into the coating that stores every electron. Cathode coating applied, black slurry deposited onto aluminium foil at precise thickness, at high speed. Anode coating on copper foil, graphite applied at microscopic precision. Meter after meter. Dried in a long tunnel oven. Solvent evaporated, coating bonded permanently to the foil. Calendared to exact density, compressed by heavy rollers to the precise thickness that maximizes energy storage. Every centimeter of electrode inspected, coating thickness and uniformity verified in real time.
Slit to exact width. One master roll becomes dozens of precision electrode strips.
Electrode reels stored in a climate-controlled dry room. Every reel tracked by serial number. The dry room, humidity controlled to extreme lows, protecting every battery material from moisture damage. Wound at high speed, cathode, separator, and anode, spiraling together into a tight jelly roll. Dozens of winders, all running. Millions of jelly rolls produced every single day. Tabs welded ultrasonically. Thousands of foil layers joined in a fraction of a second. Battery cans formed from steel. 4,680 cells, a new American standard. Jellyroll inserted into the can. Precision fit, every single cell. Laser welded Mary, the first electrical connection made inside every battery cell. Electrolyte filled precisely. The liquid that carries lithium ions between electrodes. Crimped and sealed. The cell closed permanently, electrolyte locked inside. Helium leak tested. Every sealed cell confirmed airtight before the first charge. Formation, the critical first charge that brings every battery cell to life for the first time. Degassed, formation gases evacuated from every cell before final sealing. Finally sealed. Every gas removed, every opening closed permanently. Aged at controlled temperature. Days of rest that stabilize every cell's chemistry. Every cell graded. Capacity, resistance, and voltage measured precisely for quality matching. sorted and graded. Every cell matched to its exact performance specification. Laser marked for life. Every cell carries its own unique identity, traceable forever. Cells loaded into module trays, hundreds per tray, precisely arranged for interconnection. Laser welded in seconds. Hundreds of cells connected simultaneously by a scanning laser beam. Module assembled around the cells. Structure, thermal management, and isolation all integrated. Thermal paste applied precisely. The path that carries heat out of every cell. The structural pack floor built. The foundation of every electric vehicle battery pack. Modules installed into the pack, one by one, filling every cavity of the structural floor. High voltage connections made, modules linked in series, and parallel to achieve pack voltage and capacity. The brain of the battery installed. The BMS that monitors every cell voltage, temperature, and current in real time. Coolant circuit connected. Liquid cooling that maintains every cell at optimal operating temperature. Structural adhesive applied. The seal that protects every cell from the outside world. Pack leak tested under pressure. Every seal confirmed before the pack goes any further. Full electrical test. Pack voltage, capacity, BMS functions, and safety systems all verified at full power. End-of-line inspection. American engineers confirming every pack meets specification before shipping.
Labeled for traceability and safety. Every pack identified. Certified and ready to ship.
Stored in a massive automated warehouse. Thousands of completed battery packs, tracked by serial number. On the move to vehicle assembly. AGVs delivering battery packs on demand, autonomously. From a single lithium cell to the battery pack that powers every mile. Built in America, at a scale the world has never seen.